Arabbula Innovation Multiple Choice Questions. Question number 1. Name the father of Muhammad bin Qasim. A. Al-Hajjaj, Sabaktajin, Qasim bin Yusuf, Yamin bin Yusuf. Option C is correct. Qasim bin Yusuf, father of Muhammad bin Qasim. Second one. Which Arabic astronomer studied Sanskrit at Kashi University? Al-Hajjaj, Umayyad, Abu Mashail, D. Qasim. Option C is correct. Abu Mashail. Author of the Chachanama. Walid 1, Abu Bakr, Al-Hajjaj, Dahir. Option B is correct. Abu Bakr, author of the Chachanama. What is the name given to the city of Multan by the Arabs? The city of gold, the city of kingdoms, the city of wars, the city of diamonds. Option A is correct. The city of gold. Question number 5. Which of the following is correct regarding the Arab invasion? Dahir, the Indus ruler during the invasion. Yes. The first Muslim invasion of India in 712 AD. Yes, this is also right. Khalifa Asim during the Arab invasion in India. Khalifa Asim is not correct. Khalifa is Walid 1 during the Arab invasion in India. So this statement is wrong. Debal is a port city in the Indus region. Yes, this statement is right. So 1, 2 and 4. Option C is correct. Question number 6. Who commented that the Arab Indus occupation was a resultless victory? Acharya Lenipul, Abu Mashail, Abu Bakr, Umayyad. Option A is correct. Acharya Lenipul. Identify the correct one in relation to the following Indus ruler Dahir. Dahir's son was Jaipal. Dahir's son was Jaipal is wrong statement. Dahir's son was Jayachandradu. So this is wrong. Dahir is a Brahmin of Chachu clan. Yes, Dahir is Brahmin. This statement is right. Chachanama is a book written by Dahir. Chachanama is not written by Dahir. Chachanama is written by Abu Bakr. So this statement is also wrong. Dahir was defeated in the Battle of Brahmanbad. Yes. Option 2 and 4 is correct. Question number 8. Rewar is another name of war. Battle of Waror or Brahmanbad. Battle of Brahmanbad or Battle of Taimur. Battle of Warur or Taimur. D all right. Option A is correct. Battle of Waror or Brahmanbad. Which was the capital of the Indus Valley during the Arab invasion? Ghazni, Multan, Aror, Vaihin. Option C is correct. Aror. Which of the following is correct regarding Muhammad bin Qasim? In the Battle of Taimur, Qasim defeated Dahir, the ruler of the Indus region. Qasim defeated Dahir is right, but in the name of battle Taimur is wrong. In the battle of Rewar is or Arur or Brahman battle is correct. So this statement is wrong. Jizya introduced the tax for the first time in India. Yes, this statement is right. Occupied Multan and renamed the city of Multan the city of gold. Yes, this statement also right. He appointed Junaid as the governor of the Sindhu. Yes, this statement is right. 2, 3 and 4 is right. Identify which of the following is incorrect in relation to the Arab invasion. Lane Pool claimed that the Arab invasion was a resultless victory. Yes, this is correct. The Battle of Rewar is between Muhammad bin Qasim versus Indus king Dahir. This statement is also correct. The first Muslim to invade India in the year 722 AD. 722 AD is wrong. 712 AD. So this statement is incorrect. The main purpose of the invasion was to establish their Islamic state over India. Islamic state over is statement is wrong. Plundered India is correct statement. So this also wrong. So 3 and 4 is correct. Option C is correct. Comes means part of the king in the outcome of the war. Okay, which must be dash part: 1/3, 1/5, 1/6 and 1/4. Option B is correct. 1/5. With whose death did the Arabs lose the Indus region? Walid, Al-Hajjaj, Muhammad bin Qasim, Abu Mashed. Option C is correct. Muhammad bin Qasim. Question number 14. Muhammad bin Qasim, what was the name of the battle that defeated the ruler of the Indus region, Dahir? Vaihind, Rewar, Taimur, Tarain. Option B is correct. Rewar battle. Question number 15. Which year was the Arab invasion of India? 722 AD, 712, 721, 715. 712 AD, first Arab invasion of India. Who named the city of Multan as the city of gold? Khalifa Walid, Al-Hajjaj, Muhammad bin Qasim, Asim. Option C is correct. Muhammad bin Qasim. Question number 17. A book describing the Indus occupation by the Arabs. Tariq-e-Hind, Kitab-ul-Hind, Chachnama, Tariq-e-al-Biruni. Option C is correct. Chachnama. A book describing the Indus occupation by the Arabs. The result of the Arab invasions are as follows. Learned numerology from the Indians, yes. They introduced gunpowder, Unani medicine, tea and paper in India, yes, this statement is right. Abolished the jizya tax. Abolished the jizya tax is wrong statement. Introduced or started the jizya tax, so this is wrong. Traded with Rashtrakutas and Solankis, this statement also right. So option 1, 2 and 4 is right. Option B is correct. Thank you. Objective Adda 337.